So, you're starting fresh with Apollo.io? Great. First things first, you need to warm up your email. This builds your sender reputation, so your emails land in inboxes, not spam folders. In 2025, with stricter email provider algorithms, this is crucial. Apollo.io now offers an email warm-up assistant in Pro and Enterprise plans to automate this. But even with the assistant, understanding the basics is key. Forget Apollo.io imposing its own sending limits. It's all about your connected email provider, like Gmail or Outlook. Gmail starts you at around 500 sends per day, while Outlook can go up to 10,000. Apollo.io intelligently throttles these to prevent overuse. When starting, aim for 50 to 100 emails daily to avoid getting blocked. Warming up your email in Apollo.io is all about showing email providers you're not a spammer. It boils down to these best practices. First, connect and verify. Link your email to Apollo and prove you own your domain. Second, personalize. Use Apollo's insights to tailor emails. This reduces unsubscribes. Third, avoid spam traps. Skip the all-caps subjects, excessive links, and words like free. Apollo's AI helps flag these. Fourth, monitor. Watch your metrics in Apollo's dashboard. Pause if bounce rates exceed 5%. Fifth, respect limits. Know your ESP's daily sending cap. Apollo warns you when you're getting close. Remember, it's about mimicking organic sending patterns to build trust and ensure your emails get seen. Happy sending!